Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Shalise. I will be 42 later this year. I am a mother, a wife, and I love to invest. So I am not a financial advisor. Do not blindly follow me, but rather take the golden nuggets of what I say, the consistency and the motivation, and get started on your journey, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much. And always beware of scammers and fake pages. Y'all know I have to say my little spiel every time I make a video. And also make sure you guys hype the video. That's like a new thing I discovered. So thank you guys to those of you who told me you've hyped the video. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to stay on top of all of the new stuff that YouTube, has out there. So thank you all for bringing that to my attention and for hyping the videos. Okay. But today we're going to be investing in a red market. So let me just get this right off the bat. Okay. Year to date from January 1st, 2026 until today, which is Wednesday, March 18th, year of our Lord, 2026, okay? In all of our accounts, we are down about $43,000. Let me say that again for the people in the back. Year to date, our portfolio has dropped, has lost, it fell, it crashed, whatever you want to say, $43,000, right? And the market is not even closed at the recording of this video. It's about to close, but I mean that the market turning down today is incorporated into that number. The markets were doing okay when the year first started, but when we entered this conflict with Iran, the market just tanked, and I'm sure everybody's portfolio is that way. And I wanted to spend a few minutes before I went into today's video really driving home the point that you are not by yourself. If you are an investor and you're new for the first time and you're jumping into this, you have to remember the market moves in ebbs and flows. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. But long term, if you zoom out and you are investing in good assets, right? Because that's key here. The market over time goes up. And I think this is a really good, not lesson, but experience for beginner investors to understand that last year, yes, markets were at all-time highs. Our portfolio, and when I say our, it's me and my husband, so keep that in mind. We are on year 12 of this journey. And this is including all of the 401ks, HSAs, Roths, taxable accounts. We have several, right? Last year, we were almost at $900,000 invested. Right now, with this downturn, about 838-ish, give or take a couple of dollars. And again, who says the market don't fall even further? But again, the more you have invested, when you have those red days, the more you're going to see your portfolio down. I am comfortable with our positions. I will leave a video down below if you want to check out more of our positions and details of our portfolio. But I just wanted to say that hold on. If you are in good companies, if you are in good funds, this is a buying opportunity, right? This is a buying opportunity for you to get things on sale. We love a good sale in the store. We love a good sale online. We should love a good sale when it comes to trillion and billion-dollar assets, okay? That's important. So you're going to see me invest a little bit today, right? I think I like to make these videos because it motivates people to invest even when the markets are not going great. Right? Like I said, don't blindly follow me, but I make these videos when the market is down. So I'm consistent. I don't disappear when the market is down. This is real money that we're putting into the market. It's not play money. I don't trade or anything. We buy and hold, a lot of overtime, a lot of stress. We put our money to work. That's what these videos are for, to show you guys you're not by yourself. Many of us have experienced worse in the market. So hold on, build your share sizes up on sale. So SCHG. Y'all know I'm trying to get to 700 shares. We are at 602 shares. So I thought we had closer to 650. I had to talk to my husband about that. But I think I was confusing that with another position that we own, which is why I'm always trying to track everything, because I don't want to get confused with our investments because we have a big portfolio. But I want to get to 700 shares. And because it's down right now, I mean, the markets are down. Everything is down for the most part. It's only a few things still up year to date, but for the most part, everything's in the red, right? So I think I'm going to buy, if it's at $30.19 and I'm at, how much do I have again? 602. I would like to get, let me get this to 605. So I'm going to buy 3 shares. Now, I do a lot of my bigger investing offline, and I realize that those videos don't do as well. Like if I keep making these big portfolio updates where I share, oh yeah, we have almost, we have 800,000+ in the markets. That doesn't do as well. Rather than me break it down piece by piece and do the consistent updates every week. That is what get views. And I think that is more useful to people getting started, is how it is in the trenches when you're doing this every single week, every single month. What does consistency look like? So that's what these videos are for. So 3, and I'm going to buy it at $30.13. I'm going to get 3 shares at $90.38. Now let's be honest. Where are we going to spend? Well, let me not say we, because I don't know what you're doing, but I could easily spend $90.38 on junk. But rather, I'm putting that into a good asset. If you don't know, SCHG is kind of like VOO. And there's another great one. I think it's SPYM. It was formerly known as SPLG, but they changed the ticker. I actually prefer SPLG over VOO. It's much cheaper. Same companies pretty much. And I like it. But I also like SCHD for hyper growth. I really want more of growth because we have a lot of time traditionally. I'm only 41. So, if we wait to traditional retirement, let's just say, just traditional retirement, let's say 60, that's 19 years from now. So there's a lot of time, but I'm not waiting. My husband and I are not waiting that long. 40s, mid 40s, fingers crossed, Lord willing. So we have about $18,200 and let's just say $50. I'm just rounding up right here. And we're up 5%. Let's just say 5%. And this is with all the pullbacks. We were up like 11%, 10%. So no, I did not take profit. That's not what I do as an investor. I'm not ready to take profit yet unless I want to rebalance the portfolio. Maybe I want to do like tax harvest loss. But other than that, unless I need the money or we become over leveraged because, the position just grows so much, I'm not really taking profit yet. I want to build up and get to our goals. Excuse me, guys. And so we have 605 shares, but look, we have 0.78. Let me go ahead and get this to 606. Okay, so I got to make sure I do some quick math here so I can get this right. I want to do fractional shares, so I have to invest in dollars. And okay, don't judge me on this, y'all. Is that 12 cents? No, 12? Well, we'll see. 0.12? No. Oops. Brain is fried. Okay. $3.62. That should get us to, I did the math wrong. Oh my goodness. But look, you can invest $3.62. Let me just go ahead and put an even $7 here in fractional shares. Because, yeah. No, I'm going to change it. That should get us 606. There we go, 606, just to round off the numbers. And that's a great strategy too. If you want to just like the end numbers on the decimals on your positions, like if you have 11.89 shares, you can just go ahead and do the fractional shares and invest up to the whole round number, if that makes sense, okay? But yeah, again, almost $20,000 position in this. And again, we're still up year to date with all of the downturns in the market, okay? That's why I make these videos. Let me check SCHD, which has been, oh my goodness, doing phenomenal. I'm not even going to hate on SCHD. I've been giving SCHD a hard time, but that's the perk of having it, is that SCHD is really stable in down markets. So yeah, when the markets are going up, and you're getting record highs and NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, S&P 500, everybody's feeling good. SCHD does not perform as well because it's not made for growth. It's made for income. People confuse the two. That's why we've kept our position, even though I've been critical of it, because I do like the ETF and I do believe in it. And I'm excited for the Reconstitution. That is next week. I think it's on the 23rd. So I will have probably an extra SCHD video. It'll be an extra one. I'm not sure if it'll be Monday night or Tuesday or Wednesday, but look forward to it. I will share it on my community post, but I'm telling you guys, it'll be an extra video on that because who knows what time they will release it. And I usually put my videos up at 10 a.m. So if they release it 3 o'clock or something like that, I'll just make an extra video for later, okay? So just stay tuned for that. But their Reconstitution is next week, and it's going to be interesting to see how the the fund, the updates to the fund, what comes out, what goes in, any allocation changes, our reaction to it, because this is real money we have in these positions. But look, hold on, year to date. Look, 11.62%, right? Crazy. S&P is down, NASDAQ is down, but SCHD is up 11%. Again, that's why you build your portfolio to fit a strategy that you desire. Now, I started this position back, oh my goodness, y'all. It was 2024. Y'all remember when I was doing this challenge? It was like $10 and I changed. I was doing $5. Trying to show you guys that you can build up a small position. And this position is at $2,229.80. Well, it was said 84 cents. You can see our average cost is $27.47. We have 72.63 shares. Depending on the Reconstitution, I may have a goal of 100 shares for this, but I will wait for that goal until the Reconstitution happens. But for today, because again, you see this end number right here, Mamacita doesn't like it. So I'm going to probably do point, let's see, 3, 2. Hope I did that right. Probably not, knowing me. We'll see. But again, this is giving you a great lesson on you can invest with fractional shares. 7-2. So see, I did it wrong. Okay, I didn't do enough. I want to get to the next whole share size. I want to get to 73 shares. But again, this is at least showing you that you can invest with fractional shares. So I'm not editing this out because this is real life. My brain is tired. I've been working. We're doing some renovations to the house. My daughter has spring break. It's a lot going on, but I'm showing up, right? Team show up. So I'm going to do some more fractional shares. I'm going to do 0.04. To make it simple, 0.05. That is, yep, $1.54. There we go. 73 shares right there. And you just saw me invest $1.54. $1.54. So it's no excuses, guys. So yes, though the market may be down, you see all these articles, you're watching on the news, you're watching you listen to podcasts, you're watching all the things on social media and all the platforms. Long term. We're long-term investors, okay? As you get closer, though, to your retirement year, you want to make sure you're rebalancing into more, I would say, stable income, less volatile assets. I would not be in a whole lot of growth if I was retiring next year. I would start to rebalance my portfolio about a year out. But let me know down below one thing you guys are buying with the markets down. No. You know what? No. Let's keep this how it was when I first opened this video. I mentioned to you guys that we are down about $43,000 year to date in all of our accounts. Tell me about how much you are down, okay? So that we can encourage the beginners to continue the course. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Hype the video, tickle the bell notification button. Support your sis with a comment. I really do appreciate it. Again, guys, thank y'all so much. And until next time, y'all already know, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.